Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. They are the body's windows to the outside world. Our sense organs have a special ability to pick up information and send it to the brain. The brain decides and gives orders for the right action. Eyes, the organ of sight. Our eyes work throughout the day and night until we go to sleep. They collect a lot of information about the world around us every day. Our eyes help us to read and write, know the shape, color, and size of the objects, help in knowing whether an object is near or far. Care for the eyes. You should take care of your eyes in the following ways. Wash your eyes with clean water regularly. Do not rub your eyes. Do not put any sharp object in your eyes. Do not look directly at the sun or any bright light. Wear sunglasses if you are out in the sun. Do not watch television for longer periods. Ears, the organ of hearing. Our ears help us to hear the sound. The ears collect sounds from the surroundings and send sound signals to the brain. They warn us of danger. We need 2 ears to be able to locate the source of the sound. This helps us to hear clearly. Our ears help us to listen to the music, identify different sounds and react, balance our body. Care for the ears. You should take proper care of your ears in the following ways. Clean your ears regularly using earbuds. Never put pointed or sharp objects into your ears. Use earplugs while swimming. If you feel any pain in your ears or some fluid comes out of your ear, visit an ENT specialist. An ENT specialist treats the problems related to the ears, nose, and throat. Nose, the organ of smell. Our nose can detect a variety of odors or smell. We can identify good or bad smell with the help of our nose. Whenever we smell delicious food, our mouth starts watering. But when we get stinking smell of an object, we just move away. Another important function of nose is to help in breathing through 2 nostrils. Our nose helps us to detect good or bad smell, breathe in air. Care for the nose. The nose is also an important sense organ. You can take care of it in the following ways. Keep your nose clean. Blow it every day. Do not put any object inside the nose. Do not insert finger into the nose. You may hurt yourself. Cover your nose with a clean handkerchief while sneezing. Tongue, the organ of taste. Our tongue helps us to taste the things. It tells us whether a food item is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. When we eat something, our tongue sends signals to the brain. If the food tastes bad, the brain asks you to stop eating. But if the food tastes good, the brain asks you to continue. We will study about the tongue in detail in the next chapter. Our tongue helps us to taste the food and enjoy, swallow the chewed food, speak. The tongue has numerous taste buds. Different parts of the tongue detect different types of tastes. Skin, the organ of touch. Our skin helps to feel and touch. Just below the skin, many nerve endings are present in different parts of the body. These nerve endings transmit the sensation which is known as touch. Whenever something touches the skin, one or more nerves are pressed and these nerves carry the message to the brain. The brain tells us whether the object is hot, cold, soft, hard, etc. Our skin helps us to detect hot or cold objects, detect rough or smooth objects, maintain the body temperature by the process of sweating. It protects our body. Care of the skin. We should also take care of our skin in a proper way. Take bath every day. It is the best way to keep the skin clean and healthy. Do not play in dirty places to prevent skin infections. Cover the scrapes or cuts on the skin with a bandage. Use sunscreen lotions to avoid the sunburn. Visually challenged people. Differently abled people are people whose sense organs do not work properly. People who cannot see are called visually challenged people. This drawback is compensated to a certain extent by their well-developed sense of touch. They do all their work with the help of sense of touch. They even read with the help of touch. There is a special system of codes in which the letters of the alphabet are printed in raised dots. This system of raised dots is known as Braille. It was developed by a person named Louis Braille in 1824 to help the visually challenged people. Braille lost his sight when he was very young, but he wanted to read and write. He worked for several years and developed this system. Visually challenged people read the book printed in Braille by moving their fingers on the raised dots. They decode it with the help of their brain. Thus, it can be said, visually challenged people are able to see with the help of their fingertips. We should always be ready to help differently abled people. Points to remember. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Our sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. We should take proper care of our sense organs. Visually challenged people read the book printed in Braille script.